Good morning, Ms. Russell.
Good morning, how you doing?
How are you?
Great.
So it looks like to me you're wanted out of North Carolina, specifically Wake County, for all felony probation violation, another probation violation, another probation violation, and a misdemeanor probation violation. So it looks like 3 felony probation violations and a misdemeanor probation violation. What's more is that you were on bond for a fraud case here. God, the bond was at nearly $500,000. It looks like that was just recently disposed of on the 7th.
$500,000 for bond. Let that sink in. That's not just a price tag. That's a message. When courts set numbers this high, they're saying one thing loud and clear. This defendant is dangerous, a flight risk, a repeat offender who can't be trusted. But here's the firestorm. Does money really equal justice? Or are we just building a system where the rich walk free and the poor rot behind bars?
7th of this month as well.
I got time, sir.
Well, 180 days state jail, I guess, right? So Amy, what's going on now?
Yes, so the manager restrictions were picked up on July 5th. You're just bringing out so you said watch your if I understand.
So there's a pre-signed waiver.
Yeah, we already entered it on October 17th.
Got it. So a couple things you need to understand. Depending on where you get on probation, when you get on probation, especially on felony cases, you sign something it's called a pre-signed waiver. You sign a document saying, okay, look, by signing for this probation, I agree to waive formal extradition so that you can never fight extradition if you're ever picked up in another state, another county, or whatever. In that respect, even if I wanted to give you a bond, I can't because you've already waived extradition as it is. So I can't give you a bond. We typically just wait. And as a matter, it's 30 days that they have to come pick you up, not the normal 14, because it's a pre-signed waiver. At that point, it's a 30-day wait that we give them for North Carolina to come get you.
Well, I came court day. I signed my waiver on the 16th. My day started on the 16th, the 14th. And they said they wanted the extra 5 days, but my mama talked to my attorney. They said they're not coming to get me, sir. It's old, 7 years old. They're not coming.
Well, and if that's the case, then once the 30-day runs, at that point they'll issue a nollie, and then they'll get out of here.
On the 16th, my day started on the 16th. I'm aware that I signed my waiver, and they said that you signed off on it for extra 5 days. They said they asked for extra 5 days. My attorney.
It's still within the 30 days, though, right, Amy?
Yes, yes.
It's still within the 30 days.
Yeah.
So it's still, I mean, we're not doing anything to you.
For the extra 5 days that they said that they want to come and get me. If they don't come and get me by what, November 4th, do y'all release it?
What's the date?
Her very last reset date is November 18th. Also, we're trying for that. So we have her next reset to be November 6th.
Have you spoken to North Carolina?
Yes, and they're scheduled for November 5th, I believe.
So they've spoken to North Carolina. North Carolina is still interested in you, and they're indicating that they're going to come get you. So I don't know who your mom talked to, but they're talking to the sheriff's office and the DA over there, and they've indicated.
Can you tell me why it's on the 18th and my day started on the 16th? I signed with you on the 16th. Can you tell me that, please? I signed on the 16th, sir.
So the 16th was the original waiver.
Yeah.
That was 14 days, but then we had to get an extension, which is why we entered it.
So it's 5 days from the 14th. That's what it is. No. Remember, it's a 30-day window that they have to come get you, not the 14th.
On the 16th. I didn't go for it on the 18th. I signed on the 16th. That's what I'm not understanding. I got the papers.
Okay. I mean, it's still within the 30 days. Okay. So they have up to 30 days. Sometimes they need a little bit more time. As long as it's within the 30 days, it's fine. It's not an issue. But they have up to 30 days to come get you. So I don't know what the actual day that they're going to come. I have no idea. So I'm not going to commit to an answer for you because I just don't know what day they're actually going to come. It's just that they have 30 days to come get you, and that's what's gonna happen.
Talk to the prosecutor.
Don't talk to her.
So if November 5th, they don't come and get me, then what? I gotta come back to court or what? That's what I wanna know. I'm not
No,
understanding.
they have until the 16th of the following month. Theoretically, they have the 30 days to come get you. Now, we try to get them to come quicker, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It depends on how many other people in other jurisdiction, other state that they have to come get. But they try to do everything at one time so they don't continue, because every time they come pick you up, it's $3,000 there, $4,000 there. So they try to do everything at one time to maximize spending, so they're not wasteful. When you get on probation, fulfill your probation, because when you don't, and when you end up with these violations, this is what happens.
I'm so finished. Thank you.
Right now, come on this way.
Wow, passive aggressive. Ay, ay, ay.
Thank you, Judge. Can I be
Thanks,
excused?
Anna. Of course.
Yeah.
Judge, approaching on Bryce, he is here this morning.
Okay.
He did have a doctor's appointment yesterday morning. He sent me the conference.
What's wrong with your leg, Mr. Thomas?
I was in a car accident.
That's why he has to go to the doctor 3 times a week at this point, and he can be able to go to jail.
You driving the car in the accident?
He was rear-ended.
This is where the real damage begins. One so-called minor, theft today becomes the spark that ignites a criminal record for life. Every repeat offense stacks higher, turning a simple misdemeanor into a full-blown felony. And here's the question that divides the courtroom. Should a person's past forever chain them to their mistakes? Or should the system finally draw a line and give those who've served their time a real chance to start over?
Okay. And I will contact Mr. Terrell. Thank you.
Okay.
He tested yesterday, came back for marijuana.
Yep. Come up, Mr. Osborne. Guys, what is all the times that we've had Mr. Osborne tested, times that he's been positive, times that he's been negative? How many times have we tested Mr. Osborne, please? It's nearly 400 days old, and he's continuing to smoke weed. I mean,
This is the first time he's actually been tested, to my knowledge.
I don't think that's right. I think that we've tested him before.
I understand he tested positive, Judge. My only concern is he is trying to degree, and he obviously through his own doing, he's missed a lot of days in school, but I'm concerned that he's not.
Since December 21st of 23, he has had a dismissal offer where he's had to do 12 hours of community service, 1 class, and he gets his case dismissed. Now, a year later, we are still here, and he's testing positive for marijuana.
Only number I had for him was his mother's number, which is why he initially, and it got disconnected. I could not figure out how to contact him, which is why I had the PTI offer, but I couldn't reach him to give him the
It's
PTI.
not your fault, Mr. Schofield, and I'm not going to let you fall on the sword for him. But you're still smoking.
Only one judge.
Just the one today?
Yes.
We've never tested him before?
And we have a record now.
Where are we going?
He signed the PTI yesterday, so he's just got to get his community service and his anger management done.
What kind of anger management class are we talking?
Our anger management class, and he has 12 hours community service.
You have 3 weeks to get everything done. If you don't have everything done in 3 weeks, you will get an immediate trial setting. This offer goes away. Do you understand, Mr. Osborne?
Yes, sir.
And the next time you test positive, I'm going to light you up. No more weed.
So,
How old are you?
18.
No more weed. Do you understand?
So,
You will get tested again. And if I find that you're continuing to smoke weed, into jail you will go. You have 3 weeks to get this thing done. That's it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, I am.
That's 31 dash.
What's the last name?
Tomas Gonzalez.
What page is it on? Yeah. Did on talk today?
Page 14.
Yes.
Marcelino. Okay. Mr. Marcelino Gonzalez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor. You are facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that by pleading guilty to this offense, it will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your natural born life. If you ever get pulled over in a car and you have an alcohol on your breath and the officer sees that you have a prior DWI, what do you think they're going to do to you? Right.
Yes.
What we're doing today, you will now be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand? And if you are not in this country with permission, you go to jail for that time. I can all but guarantee that you will get an immigration detainer. So if you have people that depend on you for whatever purpose, you going to jail for that kind of time completely wastes them.
400 days, and still testing positive. The judge's patience isn't just running thin, it's hanging by a thread. This isn't a slip-up anymore. It's open defiance of the court's orders. But here's the burning question. Is jail really the answer for weed violations? Or are we just filling cells and wasting resources on cases that could be handled smarter? While real criminals walk free,